All right. Back with another one. So today is a really simple short video on how you can create charts and graphs within a Google Sheet, right? So like admin, right? Counselors, right? Teachers as well. Really, a lot of people want to see a visual of a chart or graph based on data that you have entered into a Google Sheet. And the good thing is you can do this with any Google Sheet that you want, all right? And you can actually change the way it looks. All right, so I'm just gonna do a simple one, right? And then obviously it can be as more complicated as you want, but let's start off simple. So I have a little table here, right? I got a grade of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. I just have a sample of total students here. How many students are in group A versus group B, right? So this is just a sample of a table chart, what we call, right? So first things first, left click on the first part of the table and then highlight all the information, all the cells, right? Remember, these are cells. Each box individual cells, okay? That's what I'm going to refer to. So you highlight the cells, and then up here, there's like a little square, right? It says Insert Chart. You just left-click on that thing right there. Bam, there it is. All right, so it gives you a chart, right? Now, this chart is highly customizable, right? What do I mean by that? I mean by that you can change colors, you can change words, and whatnot. So let's just do a simple tutorial. Here we go. First things first. You could rename this, right? So you just left click on the title, and over here on the right, you can rename it whatever you want. Total students by group, right? Or whatever you want, doesn't matter. And then also, like every time you rename, titles or put in words, you can change the font size, right? You can change the color of the text, okay? You can change it to be bold or italicized, right? And I totally spelt that wrong. So there we go. All right, so that's the chart title. Now, next thing that you can customize, right, are the subgroups. So I want this to say something else, I can, right? I could just say total students, right? And then it just changes it as you go, okay? And then obviously you can still do the font size, right? You can make it bigger, you can make it bolder, you can make it crazy colors, okay? You can do anything like that. And the only thing that you cannot change is the horizontal categories, such as, see where it says 9th, 10th, or 11th? You can change what it looks like as in bold and whatnot, but you cannot change the actual words. If you want to change the actual words, you got to go up here to the actual table and write something. See, watch. And then it changes right there, okay? So that's the only thing you can't change within the chart, okay? All right, and so one of the last things I want to show you is you could obviously change the color, right? I could change the color of the bar, anything I want, right? And then you could also change, okay, what kind of chart it is, right? Usually gives you the best chart for what data you have, but you up here where it says chart type, you could do whatever you want. You can make it look snazzy-fazzy like that, which I don't know why. You can make a nice little pie chart, right? Or you could do any of these things down here, right? You pick the chart, right, that is pertinent to what you want to display as the information. Best for your group, okay? And that is it, my friends. Have a great day. As always, contact me or
Melissa!
There she is! Made a guest.